good, YouTube? We're back again with another video. Today's video, we're going to be opening up Pokemon cards from hunting with this guy, Nelson. Yeah, and he's Nelson and John. But yeah, so let's get into it. Let's go TCG. Alright guys, so we got 3 of the Prestige Prime packs. These are from the 5 below, so let's see what we get. I already know they're not going to be big hits. Whatever. Oh shoot. Mid pack. Alright guys, next pack. Oh, these are all mixed up. Okay. Oh, it's pretty cool, Charmeleon. I think this is probably the best pull. It's Charmeleon over here. Nice design on the card. Alright guys, the final Prestige pack. Let's see if anything is good in here. Oh. Absol. Okay. Alright, not bad. I guess the good pulls from here were Luxio, Nose Pass, because they have the designs on the card. That's about it. So Nelson and I walked into like some, what was that store? Tea card?
I honestly don't remember.
Some store. And I found these Asian cards, Japanese or whatever. About to get into these now. And I guess we'll leave the Journey Togethers as the final openings. Alright guys, first pack. I have no idea what it says. Let's see what we got. The back of the card's pretty nice design. Ooh,
Not bad.
pretty fire, pretty fire. That's it for this pack. Let's just show you guys.
Not too shabby.
Nice pull right here. This is the highlight of this pack. All right, next pack, same one. See what we got here. Ooh, Palkia, pretty nice. That's it for this. I feel like there's like nothing in these packs. What the heck?
There's a lot less than like the American ones.
It's pretty nice though. Nice design on the Palkia. Nice card. All right, next pack. All right, so here's the next pack. We got 2 of each pack. So let's start off with this next one, and then we'll do the other matching one. Let's see what we got. Okay. Oh. I don't even know who this is, dude. Oh, it's from Black and White.
That's a Reshiram.
Nice card.
Not bad.
Nice pull. Nice. All right, guys. Final pack of this one. Again, I have no idea about these because I don't speak Japanese. Oh, wow. Piplup to start off, just like the other one was Evolution of Piplup. Prinplup, I believe is his name. Right, Nelson? Yeah, I forget. Ooh. One of the... I forget the name. What's his name?
Suicune.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's like a brother or sister of Entei, I guess you could say. They're all family. Alright. I think this is Zekrom pack. About to open for you guys. Alright, the Zekrom pack. Right, that's his name, Zekrom. Yes, sir. Okay. Nice design. Ooh. 2 hits in this pack. Okay. So these are the major pulls, I guess, from this pack. Nice pulls. Not bad. Here you go. Nice to give you guys another look. Nice. Did good on this one. Whoa. Alright. Alright, guys. Final Zekrom. Oh. Fail. Final Zekrom pack. I blame Nelson. Anything we say is just Nelson's fault, right, guys? It's just how it goes.
That's crazy work.
Crazy work, guys. It's all Nelson's fault. Okay. I guess this is 1 hit. Oh. Okay. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I don't even know his name. Do you know his name?
No.
Nope.
Fuck.
Watch your language, sir.
Negative.
These are the pulls from this pack.
Looks like you.
It's Nelson's cousin.
Oh shit.
Alright, guys. 2 Reshiram packs. Let's get into it. Let's see what we got in here. Nelson, when you played Pokemon Black and White, which game did you play?
No, I didn't get it as a kid, honestly. No,
Oh.
I never got a chance to play it as a kid.
Damn. I think I picked Black for the DS.
Alright, good choice, good choice.
Oh, full art.
Ooh.
Wow.
Solid.
Who is this? Shaman?
I
don't even know who this is. No, it's like a deer. Wow. Full art. Japanese card. Pretty tough, pretty tough.
Nice.
Next one. Boom. Nice design. Pretty nice shot. Pretty nice cards, you know? And that's it. These were the 2 pulls from this pack.
Nice.
Alright, guys. This is the final pack. Let's get into it. Hopefully, oh my god. Hopefully we'll pull some good card. Let's see. I already got 1 full art out of this. Okay. Not bad. Oh, another one. These are the 2 pulls from the Jap packs. And that's it for these. Alright guys, the final 2 packs of the video. Scarlet and Violet journey together. Let's get into it. This guy, he ain't no good. And then you got the good guy, John. Smelly guy, Nelson.
Tu prima.
So open up the pack. Let me show you guys the code real quick. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh. Okay. First, pretty decent pull. And then this black belt's training. Okay. Nice card right here. And then energy. Let me show you guys the pulls from this batch. Got the Metagross. Black belt's training. And Lycanroc. These are the pulls. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys the code. There you go. Alright. Last pack magic. Let's see what we get. Damn, dude. Okay. Another one. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Another one? All right. Interesting. One with a design on the card. One without a design on the card. And then another design on the card. All right, guys. So these are the big hitters, I guess you could say, from today's polls. That full art, though. Wow. Wow, Nelson, thanks. You're such a nice guy. Another full art. Yeah, guys, Nelson's your typical genius. I thought this one was cool because Pokemon Go. But yeah, these are the major polls. Let me know what you guys think. You got this guy, you know, good. And then you got the good guy, John. At least he's wearing my favorite soccer team from Portugal, so we'll let him slide. What you guys know about the stacks? Pokemon stacks. You should know about that. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Please share with your friends. And yeah, stay tuned for some more Let's Go TCG. Peace.